G'day, thanks for watching another video. This is a short time lapse of I purchased a guillotine recently. I can't thank Crane Logistics, Atkinson Heavy Haulage and Davies Crane enough for getting it shifted for me. The guillotine weighs 10 tonne. Its capacity is supposed to be good for 12mm thick over a 3 metre cut. But like most things, there's a bit of a duty to that. 12mm thick, 250 grade plate and 350 grade plate, it might cut 8mm. So I've swept the shed floor right out. This crane that Davies has got's a Frenner AT20 20-tonne crane. What we're doing here, because very limited height on the shed height, we're dropping one end on some load skates and he's going to pick up the other end and spread the load out, so it's 5 tonne at each end. These are the little load skates. On the packet it says they're good for 20 tonne. I don't know if they would be, but anyway, they make it pretty effortless. As you can see in the background there, the shed truss changes. Those old fabricated shed trusses, the bottom is about 3 metres off the ground. It's a credit to the blokes at Davies Cranes for being able to sneak under that. Bit of know-how. The only heads up I really give them was 2 5-minute conversations over the telephone, and yeah, they were still in the lurch a bit, but there was no time wasted. I do have a little bit of a background on shifting machinery like this myself, so I sort of had it all fairly well prepared before they turned up. As you can see, that front just shifts that thing around like nothing at all. So what I did here, I didn't have my footings prepared yet, so we dropped it there, and then I got my footings ready, cut some concrete up, and I skated a little bit further over the footings after they were cast into concrete. In hindsight, I didn't really need to do that. Old Grandad cast a pretty decent shed floor. It was about 6 inches thick in some places. This all got shifted in one day. These are a couple of photos of getting the footings ready. What I ended up doing was digging 2 700mm plinths deep, knocking up some fabricated cages, footing cages, and casting them in the new concrete. That's it. Job done, ready to cut. Thanks for watching. See ya.